In a world where there's so much going on today, saving and investing seem like a good idea. Today, I'll be discussing the beginning steps to the stock market. The stock market is made up of exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange, for example. Through these exchanges, buyers and sellers come together and act as a market, buying, selling, and trading shares of those stocks. And the exchanges track every price move that's being made. There are several ways to approach stock investing. The simplest way is to step 1, open an investment account. Investment accounts can be retirement accounts or education accounts, or they can be standard brokerage accounts. A brokerage account is also called a non retirement account. This account allows us to invest in several things, including stocks. There are several investment accounts. You'll have to decide which one is a right fit for you. First, you'll need your email address and make sure you know your password. Again, there are several investment accounts. However, I personally chose Fidelity Investments as my very first investment account. So, I'll use Fidelity as my example. The reason you need this investment account is because if you're going to invest in something, well, you need an investment account. This account is where you will keep money available to invest in the stock market. I like to tell people, look at it from a different perspective. You go to the gas station and put $50 gas in the car, to go to the mall and spend $200 on new shoes, to wear out to the bar to spend $100 on drinks and food, to wake up late the next day with a headache and further away from your goal than you were the day before. When you can choose to stay home that night and invest $350 in yourself and put it into your investment account toward your goal and go to bed early that night feeling smart and confident and proud of yourself and wake up early the next day feeling good and a step closer to your goal. The biggest reply I get from people is, well, what if I lose my money on the stock? And I say, well, it was money you were going to lose anyway. At least this way, you stand a chance to profit. My point is, if you're going to lose the money anyway by throwing it away, why not at least take a chance in the money having an opportunity to grow? So open an investment account. It's very similar to opening a checking account at your local bank. However, opening an investment account can also be done online. I used my laptop and Googled www.fidelity.com. And at the very top of the page, the very first line on the green bar, I clicked the third option, which is open an account. The type of account is brokerage account. I opened it as an individual. They asked if I was already a customer. I answered no. They asked for my name and my email address and told me in a few easy steps they can open me a new account. And just like that, my investment account was open and ready for me to add money to. Or you can hit a small roadblock. You could get a pop-up saying, we were unable to verify your identity. That could be due to an address change. Maybe you moved. Or maybe you're just new to the credit world and just trying to build your investments. So don't let that stop you at all. This is a quick fix. Simply complete the application online, then print the application out and sign it. If you don't have a printer, simply call Fidelity 800-343-3548 and request them to mail you an application. You'll have it in 1 week. Once you receive it, complete the application and sign it. The application is pretty straightforward, like any application. Ask your basic information. Your investment objective answer will probably be balanced or growth. You choose. Toward the bottom of the application, it asks for your bank account information. You do not have to fill that part out now. It tells you if you're not ready to sign your bank up now, wait until after your account has been opened and then link your bank account at that time. By linking your personal checking account with your Fidelity account, it allows you to transfer money from account to account. Very convenient. You can do it from home, sitting on your cell phone. That way, you don't have to write out a check or drive to the store to get a money order. But since you're trying to open an account, this one time you have to write a check or go and get a money order for at least $10 or for however much money you want to go ahead and put into your account at that time. Make the check or the money order payable to Fidelity Brokerage Services. That information is also on the application. Now, mail your deposit in with your signed application and expect an email soon with your reply. However, if you did go ahead and it allowed you to proceed and your account was opened instantly, well, now you can go ahead and sign into your new Fidelity investment account and follow the steps to link your personal checking account to your investment account so that you can go ahead and transfer money and make your first deposit into your investment account. And now you're all set and ready to invest. In the next video, we'll talk about some more basics and building a good investment portfolio. So, in the meantime, keep an ear open to what's going on in the stock market. Do some research and think of what company you would like to invest in. And judging by today's economy, what company or type of business you think has the most to gain. Until next time. In a world where there's so much going on today, saving and investing